Buying a Porsche has got nothing to do with buying a car. You buy into our brand and you realize your dream. And you can reflect your personality, your creativity, your style.
We were really excited bringing this project to the Son of Orange team.
Well, the Celestial Jade one-off that we created in a joint effort with our friends from Porsche Asia Pacific, it stands for innovation and tradition.
Well, the motive was actually our creative approach, in bringing two contradicting elements together in a design. The dragon is a mythical creature known for its electrifying power and charisma. While the horse, on the other hand, is typically noted for its grace, its agility, and its intelligence.
Well, when we first had our very first workshop, I was impressed with the whole idea and everything behind it. Well, I think for me as a designer, the biggest challenge is to take these contrasting elements and put them into a complete concept that also works together very harmoniously.
The colorway for this project actually was inspired by the natural fade of Jade. For the first time, we combined two chroma flare colors with different characteristics. This unique combination resulted in a seamless transition on the exterior. The colorway was not only applied to the main body of the vehicle, but also extended to the carbon elements, to the wheels, and to the model designation.
The exterior and the interior are two very different worlds. The exterior is what everyone perceives of your car. The interior is what you experience on an everyday basis. We wanted to create harmony between the two worlds. And this we did with the very subtle leather to sample in the interior, embroidered motifs on the headrests, a very special door sill guards, and many more features for the future owner to experience.
And it's been an adventure. It's been a real journey.
From start to finish, it has really been a special process for all of us.
This is a true one-of-a-kind car and a one-of-a-kind experience.